Hello, how to solve this? We have t power 2 divided by a power 2, and this equals a power 2 divided by t power 2. We are solving for all values of t that satisfy this equation. Let's start by cross multiplying. So what will happen here is that the t power 2 will multiply the t power 2, and 8 power 2 will multiply 8 power 2. So we have t power 2 times t power 2, and this equals, we have 8 power 2 times 8 power 2. Now, since this is t power 2 times t power 2, we can express it as t power 2 raised to the power of 2, and this equals, here is 8 power 2 raised to the power of 2. Remember, if you multiply this out, you are going to have a power 4, and if you multiply this one out, you are going to have t power 4. Now, this t power 2 times t power 2 will give you the same thing as t power 4. So, the next thing we can do at this point is to move this over here. So, we are simply going to have t power 2 raised to the power of 2. This becomes minus 8 power 2 raised to the power of 2, and this equals 0. So, we have power 2 here, we have power 2 here, and this point is minus. We can apply difference of 2 squares. You have a power 2 minus b power 2. This equals a minus b times a plus b. And in this case, a equals t power 2 and b equals a power 2. So let's insert them right here using this difference of 2 squares. So we have a minus b. That means we are going to have t power 2 minus a power 2 times we have a plus b, that is t power 2 plus a power 2, and this equals 0. So right now what we can do again is to equate each of these to 0. So we have t power 2 minus a power 2 equals 0, or we have this t power 2 plus a power 2 equals 0. Now we are going to solve each of these. So let's start with the first one here. For us to solve this, we can easily move this over here. We have t power 2 equals 8 power 2. So to solve for t, what we can do is to take the square root or put part of this equation. We have square root of t power 2 equals square root of 8 power 2. So right now, what will happen here is that the square root here cancels the square here. We have t equals, here what we are going to have is plus or minus 8, because this cancels this, and since we are dealing with square root, we have plus or minus 8. So from here we have two values for t. We have t1 equals 8, and we have t2 equals negative 8. Now the next thing we can do is to come over to this other equation, which is t power 2 plus 8 power 2 equals 0. Now let's solve it. We can have t power 2 equals, we move this 8 power 2 over here. This is minus 8 power 2. And the next thing we are going to do is to take the square root. We have square root of t power 2, and this equals the square root of negative 8 power 2. So right now, what we can do is this cancel this. We have t equals, for this, what we can do is we are going to have square root of negative 1, because of this negative times square root of 8 power 2. And right now, what we can do is square root of negative 1 is imaginary number I. We have t equals, this is I times this. We'll cancel this, so we have plus or minus 8. So right now, what we are going to have is t equals I times this. We are going to have plus or minus I8. So you have t3 equals positive I times 8. And also, we have t4 equals negative I times 8. So these are the 4 solutions that we have for t. t1, t2, t3, and t4. So from here, we can go ahead and check for each of these solutions. Let's see if they are going to satisfy the equation. We have T1 equals 8. We have T2 equals -8. T3 equals 8 times I, or I times 8, and T4 equals -I times 8. Okay, let's insert each of them right here. The question still remains T power 2 divided by A power 2 equals A power 2 divided by T power 2. If you substitute 8 for T, this is very obvious. What you are going to have is A power 2 divided by 8 power 2, and this equals 8 power 2 divided by 8 power 2. So they can easily cancel out. This cancel this cancel this, so you have 1 equals 1. Okay, let's consider -8 when T equals -8, this one here. So we are going to make use of the same equation, which is T power 2 divided by 8 power 2 equals 8 power 2 divided by T power 2. This time around, T equals -8. So we substitute -8 for T right now. We are going to have -8 power 2, -8 power 2, -8 raised to the power of 2, that is it, divided by 8 power 2 equals 8 power 2 divided by -8 power 2, because our T is -8, right? Okay, so when you have negative raised to the power of an even number, it will be positive. So this is just like having 8 power 2 divided by 8 power 2, and this equals 8 power 2 divided by 8 power 2. The same thing again. When you have negative raised to the power of even number, it is positive. So right here, 8 power 2 cancel 8 power 2, you have 1. 8 power 2 cancel 8 power 2, you have 1. Left hand side equals right hand side. Okay, let's consider complex values. We have T equals I times 8, or 8 times I. We are making use of the same equation. T power 2 divided by 8 power 2 equals 8 power 2 divided by T power 2. Let's make use of this. That means we are going to have I times 8 raised to the power of 2 divided by 8 power 2 equals 8 power 2 divided by I times 8 raised to the power of 2. Now, what we are going to do will be, here is I, and if you have I raised to the power of 2, remember this identity. If you have square root of -1, this equals I. If you take the squares, that means this cancel this, that means -1 equals I power 2. Take note of this. So that means I power 2 is -1, right? So what you are going to have here is -1 times 8 power 2, because I to the power of 2 is -1. So you have 8 power 2 here divided by 8 power 2, and this equals 8 power 2 divided by I to the power of 2, that is -1, times 8 to the power of 2. Have you seen it? So from here, you have -1 times 8 power 2, that is -8 power 2 divided by 8 power 2, and this equals 8 power 2 divided by -1 times 8 power 2, that is -8 power 2. So -8 power 2 divided by 8 power 2, we are going to have -1, because 8 power 2 cancel 8 power 2, you have -1 divided by that is -1, and this 8 power 2 divided by this cancel this, we are going to have 1 divided by -1. Have you seen it? And 1 divided by -1 is -1, so you have -1 equals -1. Left hand side equals right hand side. Have you seen it? Now, let's consider the last complex solution, which is T equals -I times 8. Make use of the same identity. T power 2 divided by 8 power 2 equals 8 power 2 divided by t power 2. We substitute this for t. So what we are going to do will be to substitute this for t. We have negative I times 8 raised to the power of 2 divided by 8 power 2 equals 8 power 2 divided by negative I times 8 raised to the power of 2. So from here, if you have negative I raised to the power of 2, that means, let me make it like this. You have negative I power 2 times 8 power 2 divided by 8 power 2 equals 8 power 2 divided by negative I power 2 times 8. Now, going back to the same identity, remember, if you have square root of negative 1, this equal I, it takes squares. That means this cancel this. That means negative 1 equals I power 2, right? If negative 1 equals I power 2, then this simply means negative times I power 2. And I power 2 is negative 1. So we have negative times negative 1. Because I power 2 on its own is negative 1. Have you seen it? Here times 8 power 2, there is negative times negative 1 divided by 8 power 2. And this equals 8 power 2 divided by this is the same thing. Negative times negative 1, because I power 2 is negative 1, times 8. So from here, what you are going to have, if this is positive 1, that means you are going to have 8 power 2, because negative times negative positive times 1, we have 1. 8 power 2 divided by 8 power 2, and this equals 8 power 2 divided by, this is positive 1 again. You have divided by, this is 8 power 2 divided by 8 power 2 as well. So remember this, 8 power 2. Now, what you are going to do will be to cancel out this, cancel this, you have 1, and this equals this, cancel this, you have 1. Left hand side equals right hand side. So all the 4 solutions, the 2 complex solutions, and the 2 real solutions have all satisfied this equation. So all these solutions are obviously very correct. So that is it, guys. That is it. Thank you, and see you again.